We've been getting a lot of phone calls lately. Why buy the VacMax unit when you can buy the brand new MVP? Look no further, that's what this video is going to explain. So now we're going to go through 6 things to figure out which vacuum unit is best for you. So the first thing that we want to run through is the size of the vacuum units. MVP, about a 16th the size as the VacMax unit. With this being so small, it comes with a bag. You can put it back inside of there, fit it essentially anywhere in your trucks, in your trailers, and not taking up a whole lot of space, but yet still being an effective vacuum unit. Just make sure you don't lose it like you might lose your tape measure. So the second thing that we're going to run through is performance on both of these units. Now, they're both set for 862 pounds max capacity using the machine package. Capabilities are the same. I want to take a quick moment to say this is a brief overview of the 2 vacuum units. If you guys have more questions and want more details on the 2 units, give us a call, 860-870-8665. We'd love to work through the details with you, find the right solution for you. So the third thing we're going to go through is credibility of the units. VacMax has been on the market for 7+ years, driving really good results in the hardscape industry. And the MVP has gone through rigorous testing for over 1.5 years now, showing that the vacuum unit is extremely reliable, and we are confident here at Pave Tool that we will see MVPs on every project. So the fourth thing that we're going to run through is the ergonomics of the unit. VacMax unit goes on your back, acts as a counterweight for the product that you're picking in front of you, whereas the MVP unit, only weighing 2.5 pounds, when you add a battery on there, ends up being around 6.5 to 7.5 pounds. We're adding that to the weight in front of you. The fifth thing that we want to run through is a cross compatibility of the 2 different vacuum units, the VacMax and the MVP. The T-handle, Ergo Assist, Ergo XL, machine packages, and all of the pads that you've purchased previously can work with both vacuum units. You can simply purchase the MVP separately and utilize all of the attachments and implements you have for the VacMax unit. The sixth thing that we're going to run through is the power source. We have a corded unit and we have a battery unit. The cons of either or of these units: the corded unit is going to be tied into something. So you always have to have a power source on the job site, as well as the cord can create tripping hazards on the job site. The cons to battery: if they aren't charged or they're not working properly, you don't have a vacuum unit. Pros of both of these: the pro of an electric option is you plug it in and you're always running. As long as the power continues and you don't have a power outage, you're good to go. Battery, the pro is you don't have ties, you don't have tripping hazards, it's very condensed, and they work just as well. You're going to get 90 minutes of runtime out of a battery, and that's using the on-off on the MVP. So there's the pros and cons of the power source. We hope that you guys found this video helpful, give you a little bit of guidance on which vacuum units to purchase, or if you want to upgrade your current VacMax unit. If you guys have any more questions, give us a call, 860-870-8665. You can send us a text message, an email. We are here to help you come up with the solutions that work best for you and your company. And if you missed last week's video, we did a video on all of the suction units, which one would work best for you. Please watch the video on the screen. It'll be helpful. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here, or you can watch more of our videos here. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here, and make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com. If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.